What a
This
jealous
Siamese
fat
cat's
cat.
so jealous that I'm petting this one. Hey, hey, don't chase him away, you fat head. You don't do that to the skinny one. You don't do that to him. Fat one. You don't do that to him. Huh? Are you being too cute? Huh? Good cat. Now don't be jealous that I'm petting this guy. Little selfish son of a gun. Look at you, getting all tipsy and bitey and scratchy. Look at you. You're acting like a real champ right now. You want to be petted? Huh? Oh. Jealous cat. You fat, jealous cat. We got this one. This one's not jealous. He's skinny. No. Oh, jealousy. You don't need the pets. Oh yeah. I'm so jealous that he got off. What a jealous little crackhead.